Every land must believe in something. In a cause that transcends generations. Reasoning that is endless. Belief that is unstoppable. Ideas that remain relevant. In these muddy waters flows the conscience of generations past. Each ripple to be imagined in the resonance of times to come. River as the giver of life. River as the crucible of civilizations forged. This is the Ganga. In its journey, ancient beliefs reverberate. In the eternal ballet between creation and destruction, the present holds the responsibility of preservation. It provides the fodder for politics and activism. Always the big story, meandering without a pause, silently. Perfectly aware that it is a cause that has in fact been dead for years, only to find new life.
न मुझे किसी ने भेजा है, न मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, मुझे तो माँ गंगा ने बुलाया है।
An inexplicable, gushing, new appeal and lure.
गंगा जी के घाट पर मिला एक इंसान, ओ गंगा जी के घाट पर मिला एक इंसान। मैंने पूछा नाम तो बोला मैं हूँ हिंदुस्तान, ओ मैंने पूछा नाम तो बोला मैं हूँ हिंदुस्तान। कटोरा लिए खड़ा है, कटोरा लिए खड़ा है।
गंगा हमार माई है, ये गंगा हमार है।
Sparking sudden, never before fascination amongst the young and loud, dominating the national conversation.
If Ganga dies, India dies. If Ganga thrives, India thrives.
Crusaders come and go, but the cause endures, unshakable. And this time, as she flows, she's born again. In the collective enthrallment of a young India, the question this time is, will the cause show effect?
She sustained you for centuries. She has taken over your sins. Your goddess, your river Ganga is today in distress. And it's for us to decide if we want this to be the Ganga's last roar.
That last roar, once again audible in the Save Ganga rhetoric that is rife. India has tried it earlier. The 1985 Ganga Action Plan will go down in the annals of river conservation as an epic failure. But this time, there is a difference. The people seem to be on board, while a river of funds has been initiated by a government eager to please. The price tag is high, but the cost of doing nothing would be higher. Laced with cynicism, there is newfound hope, and choosing to save the river over watching it expire would be choosing hope over cynicism, and hope always has takers. With that, we embark on a journey of a lifetime, tracing a 2,500 kilometer course of a river from a glacier that gives form to a flowing deity to a delta that drains the sins of 1 million into the sea, from Gangotri to Ganga Sagar. It's incidental, but we revel in the irony that our narrative on a dying river begins on the auspicious day of Ganga Dasera. Maybe hope will save the day.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
गंगोत्री गंगोत्री।
और गंगा दशहरा जो है जेठ के महीने में, हिंदी में जेठ के महीने में आता है, जो कि सभी उत्तराखंड के देवी देवताओं का बड़ा मान्य और उत्सव माना जाता है यहाँ पर।
चलिए, आपकी यात्रा ठीक रहे।
मैया की।
Well, we've reached Gangotri and we are with these other band of pilgrims who are taking their deity right now for a dip in the holy waters. It's really cold. We are going to go all the way up there tomorrow morning, which is Gomukh, and we believe it's going to be at least an 8-hour trek up there. So it's about 6 a.m. It's Ganga Dashera and we are at Gangotri, one of the 4 holy pilgrimages for Hindus. My camera person Zahir, me and Dharam. Dharam, 3 of us are going to trek all the way about 18 to 20 kilometers to Gomukh. Now there is a severe threat to ecology where this particular town is concerned. Not more than 300 pilgrims are allowed to enter Gangotri every day, and from here on only about 130 tourists can actually go up to the mouth of the river, which is Gomukh, every day, not more than that. Well, that's the first checkpoint when you come from Gangotri on the way to Gomukh. This is where the Gangotri National Park begins, and this is the point where you have to seek permission. Like we said, only 130 tourists are out every day towards Gomukh, and this is the place where you actually have to go and seek permission.
ये पहले गोमुख था, गोमुख है ही है, गोमुख है, पर ये काफी थोड़ा पीछे हो गया ना।
अच्छा, तो अगर मेरे पास 6 प्लास्टिक का बॉटल है और 6 पॉलिथीन बैग है तो मैं कितना पैसा दूंगी? 200 रुपये डिपॉजिट करूँगा और आके मैं आपको गिनवा के दूंगी।
हाँ, दिन तो आपको वापस मिलेंगे पैसे। अगर सपोज इन केस अगर आपके पास वो नहीं मिलेंगे, हाँ, और कहीं आपने फेंक दिए तो आप पैसे जब्त हो जाएंगे, तो फिर वो पैसा किसी को दे दिया जाए, फिर वो सफाई करेगा।
गंगोत्री धाम की जय, जय श्री राम की जय।
From Gangotri town to Gomukh, the mouth of the Gangotri glacier, it is an 18-kilometer uphill trek where the altitude rises sharply.
5 kilometers down, 13 kilometers to go. Even though we are at a height of about 9,000 feet, the sun, it's beating down on you. But who said trying to track the river's course would be easy?
As we walk, we meet pilgrims.
हरे कृष्णा। हाँ, हम यूपी के झारखंड के।
अच्छा, क्यों जा रहे हैं वहाँ? क्यों जा रहे हैं?
हम लोग क्यों जा रहे हैं?
हम तो गंगा पे डॉक्यूमेंट्री कर रहे हैं।
नेचर का ब्यूटी तो नहीं मिलेगा सबको।
हाँ, वो तो।
Spot wild animals, drink from the many Ganga streams.
So how are you feeling, Preeti?
Beautiful. So much fun. We have how much? 12 kilometers to go. You want to drink some water?
Yeah, I would love to.
Fresh water? Sahi? It's quite cool, huh?
But we walk, and we walk, and we walk some more.
Say hi to the lane. Say at least, Preeti.
we've reached the halfway point. 9 kilometers done, 9 kilometers to go. Chidwasa, the halfway point from Gangotri to Gomukh. Quite tired. And the significance of this point is that there are various small streams of the Ganga which come in, because if you look at the topography of the area, now these small streams come together and join in this massive river Bhagirathi, which later on of course is called Ganga.
The Alaknanda from Badrinath joins Dhauli Ganga at Vishnu Prayag. The Nandakini joins at Nand Prayag. The Pindar Ganga joins at Karna Prayag. The Mandakini from Kedarnath joins at Rudra Prayag. The Bhagirathi joins the confluence at Dev Prayag, and from here on, the Ganga flows.
So as we keep getting closer to Gomukh, the sun's gone down. We've already walked for about 4-5 hours, and the winds get really, really icy because they're coming directly from the glacier.
Post 3 p.m., the trek becomes difficult. The sun sets too quickly, the streams start overflowing suddenly. Rain, glacial winds, and landslides. While we try to pass what is called in local parlance the Gila Pahad, a hill made entirely of loose gravel and mud.
So we're closing in to Gomukh, Zahir and I both, and I'll ask Zahir to actually show you right there. If you can see that the light brown patch on both the sides of the mountains, that is where Gomukh used to be. And Dharam tells us about 15 to 20 years ago, when he used to come with tourists, and the glacier has retreated over the years, currently also of course retreating. There are some ashrams here who've got tented accommodation in case of bad weather, and that's what is happening today. We've been advised not to travel further. So tomorrow early morning at about 6 a.m. we start our journey to Gomukh. In this particular ashram where we would be staying the night in tented accommodation, we have Rajendra Singh ji, who runs this particular ashram. Sir, एक बात बताइए, यहाँ पर कितने लोग आते हैं हर दिन?
वो करीबन कभी 40-50 ऐसे 150 तक परमिशन है नीचे से फॉरेस्ट वालों के, तो यही है करीबन। आज इस साल तो कम आ रहे हैं, हद से ज़्यादा 40-50। जी जी जी।
तो आप ये जो आश्रम मैनेज करते हैं, मैनेज कर रहे हैं राजेंद्र जी, तो यहाँ पर पहले कहते हैं कि यहाँ तक ग्लेशियर होता था, इधर तक, ये सही बात है?
नहीं, मेरे को लगभग 20-22 साल हो गया, 91-92 से हूँ मैं यहाँ पे। जितना लोग बोल रहे हैं, हाँ उसकी हाइट है भले परत कम हुई, हाँ पीछे भी गया है, पर जितना लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हर साल लगभग उतना नहीं, कि कोई बोल रहे 50 मीटर पीछे चला गया, कोई बोल रहा 20 मीटर पीछे चला गया, इतना नहीं। हाँ उसकी परत डाउन हो गई, उसकी जो हाइट थी उसकी वो डाउन हो गई। जी जी जी।
क्या कनेक्ट करते हैं आप गंगा से? क्या चाहते हैं गंगा के लिए? आप तो बिल्कुल इसको बिल्कुल प्योर फॉर्म में देखते हैं।
जी 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 जी। हम यही सोचते हैं कि स्वच्छ रहनी चाहिए, जैसे यहाँ पे हैं ऐसे लास्ट गंगा सागर तक रहें।
We break for the night, 3 hours away from the source of a river that feeds millions, economically, spiritually, religiously. Growing up in India, the significance of Ganga will be embedded into one system. In our school textbooks, in popular culture, and for Hindus, ingrained into their religious being. A river that one is supposed to revere. A goddess that one is supposed to pray to. Its waters that are supposed to be sacred. As we chart the final course, the last 3 hours, we wonder, how is one supposed to feel when one witnesses the physical reality on which is built Hindu mythology?
Well, this is it. We have finally reached Gomukh, and this is the mouth of the glacier Gangotri, which feeds the most sacred and the mightiest of River Ganga. Now, if there was a milestone here, then it would be 0 for River Ganga, because this is where this river originates from. From here on, Headlines Today would be tracing this 2,500 kilometer journey. Technically, our journey begins from right here.
Above else, the experience is humbling. How small man is against the might of nature. How belief will trump physical exhaustion. How faith will fight the elements.
स्वच्छ गंगा को रखना अप्रोच आपके अपने से स्टार्ट होगी, ना कि हम किसी सबको बोलते जाए, ना कि हम पोस्टर्स लगाएं. एक बार आप स्टार्ट कर देंगे तो एक तरह से आपके लिए हो जाएगा वो, राइट. उसके बाद आप दूसरों के एक्शंस देखते हैं, लोगों को पोल्यूट करते हुए देखते हैं, क्या करेंगे आप?
बड़ा दुख होता है, क्योंकि गंगा हमारे लिए तो बहुत, हमारी मैया है, पवित्र है. तो एक मन में ऐसा दुख होता है कि उसको क्लीन रखने के लिए हम एफर्ट नहीं करते.
To use an over-abused cliche, when you look up, you're completely intimidated by nature. And that's what our entire team is feeling right now. The Gangotri Glacier completely humbles you. But the fact is that this glacier is melting and it's retreating. A classic example right behind me, that huge chunk of ice has just been brought in by the force of the river. The rate of retreat in just the last 3 decades has been 3 times then how much the glacier has retreated in the last two full centuries. Just do the math and you'll know how worrisome this is.
The Gangotri Glacier is retreating at an alarming rate, its volume and size shrinking. It has retreated more than 1,500 meters in just the last 70 years. Post the year 2000, the average rate of retreat of the glacier per year has been over 13 meters.
We always knew that you take a dip in Ma Ganga and it'll wash away your sins. But as we were coming here, there were many seers who told us, you go to the mouth of Ma Ganga, Gomukh, which we are, you'll wash away the sins of your parents as well. Well, I've done that for my parents. I do hope my children repay the favor.
As we trek back to base Gangotri, there is a languid sense of inertia. It could be enthrallment at the prospect of a karmic clean slate, a sense of achievement over a 40-kilometer trek, a mental tick mark against a hallmark destination, or it could very well just be the high altitude.
ये रहे पानी का ये 2 बॉटल जी हो गया. Thank you. Finally, sign here. That means we have, in all probability, not left a carbon imprint on the Gangotri Glacier.
But as we made our way back, recorded proof of a near zero carbon footprint, there was a placid sense of calmness to everything.
Well, after an 18-kilometer trek, we finally arrived from Gomukh to the holy city of Gangotri, a population of 300 people, all of them economically dependent on the Ganga.